In this video, I'm going to teach you how to unlock ranked in the finals. In order to do that, I have in here this Reddit thread, the actual entry requirements for the rank of the finals. So as you can see right here, this user asks if anyone else agreed that the threshold to play rank should be increased because they've been trying to get into gold, and every time they make it high silver, they get matched with two new players. So for this case, you have to play quite a few games to unlock rank, so it's just surprising how many people in rank just don't know how to play the game. So those few games that they mentioned is actually like 50 rounds or something. So on some cases, 50 games of Quick Cash and TTM doesn't prepare you to play rank against players for this. So the OP actually agrees with this. So the entry requirements for playing rank in the finals is actually around 50 games right here. So other users actually want it increased as well. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you